Welcome back to the Old Charles. Today we are going to explore an interesting and often overlooked coin that might already be sitting in your pocket or hidden in your old collection, and that is the United States quarter dollar from the year 2002 featuring the state of Louisiana. This coin is part of one of the most popular coin programs in American history, and it carries both historical meaning and potential value that many people do not fully understand. So sit back and listen carefully, because this simple-looking coin might surprise you in ways you never expected. The 2002 Louisiana State Quarter is part of the 50 State Quarters program, which began in 1999 and ran until 2008. This program was created to honor each of the 50 states in the order they joined the Union, and it quickly became a nationwide sensation. People of all ages started collecting these quarters, checking their change and building collections state by state. The Louisiana Quarter was the 18th coin released in the series, and it represents the rich culture, history and music heritage of the state. On the front of the coin you will find the familiar portrait of George Washington, which has been featured on the quarter since 1932. This design was slightly updated for the State Quarters series, giving it a more modern and polished look. Around the portrait you will see the words United States of America, Liberty, in God We Trust, and quarter dollar along with the year 2002. This side of the coin remains consistent across all state quarters, making the reverse side the true highlight of each design. When you flip the coin over you will see a unique design that represents Louisiana in a very artistic and meaningful way. The coin features a brown pelican, which is the state bird of Louisiana, with its wings spread wide, symbolizing strength and care. The pelican is shown feeding its young, which represents nurturing and protection, something deeply connected to the identity of the state. Alongside the pelican you will also notice a musical trumpet, which pays tribute to the rich jazz heritage of Louisiana, especially the city of New Orleans, which is known as the birthplace of jazz music. The design also includes the outline of the state and the words Louisiana 1812 and E Pluribus Unum, bringing together history, culture and pride into one small piece of metal. Now let us talk about the value of the 2002 Louisiana quarter, because this is what most collectors and viewers are really curious about. In general, if you find this coin in your everyday pocket change, it is usually worth its face value, which is 25 cents, because millions of these coins were produced and circulated across the country. However, the value can increase depending on certain important factors such as condition, rarity and mint errors. The condition of the coin plays a very big role in determining its value. Coins that are heavily worn, scratched or faded will usually not be worth more than face value, but coins that are in excellent condition with sharp details and minimal wear can be more valuable, especially if they are classified as uncirculated or mint state. These coins have not been used in everyday transactions, and they retain their original shine and detail, making them more attractive to collectors. Another factor that can affect value is where the coin was minted. The 2002 Louisiana quarter was produced in 3 different mints, which are Philadelphia, Denver and San Francisco. Coins from Philadelphia and Denver were made for general circulation, while coins from San Francisco were specially made for collectors and often come in proof sets. These proof coins have a mirror-like finish and very sharp details, which make them more valuable than regular circulation coins. In terms of actual prices, a typical circulated 2002 Louisiana quarter is worth about 25 cents to $1. Depending on its condition, an uncirculated coin could be worth anywhere from $1 to $5, or sometimes a bit more if it is in exceptional condition. Proof coins from San Francisco can range from $3 to $10 or higher, especially if they are part of a complete set or in perfect condition. Now here is where things get even more interesting. Some 2002 Louisiana quarters have mint errors, and these errors can significantly increase their value. Error coins are rare, and collectors are always searching for them. Examples of such errors include double strikes, off-center strikes, missing details or unusual marks caused during the minting process. If you happen to find a Louisiana quarter with a clear and noticeable error, it could be worth anywhere from $10 to $50 or even more, depending on the rarity and visibility of the error. One important tip for anyone who wants to collect or sell these coins is to always examine your coins carefully. Use a magnifying glass if possible and look for small details that might make your coin unique. Also try to store your coins properly in protective holders to prevent damage over time. Keeping your coins in good condition will help maintain or even increase their value in the future. The 2002 Louisiana quarter is not just about money, it is also about history, culture and the joy of collecting. Each coin tells a story and represents a part of the United States that is rich in tradition and identity. Whether You are a beginner or an experienced collector. This coin is a great addition to any collection and a reminder that even small everyday items can have hidden meaning and value. So the next time you receive change or go through your old coins, take a closer look. You might just find a 2002 Louisiana quarter, and now you know exactly what to look for and what it might be worth. Collecting coins is like going on a treasure hunt, and every coin has the potential to be something special. The history of the 2002 Louisiana State Quarter begins with the creation of the United States 50 State Quarters program, which was one of the most successful coin programs ever launched in the United States. This program started in 1999 and continued until 2008 with the goal of releasing a new quarter for each state in the order they joined the Union. It was designed not only to honor each state but also to encourage people to learn about American history, geography and culture through everyday coins. Louisiana became the 18th state to be honored in this program, and its quarter was officially released in 2002. The state of Louisiana itself has a deep and unique history that dates back long before it became part of the United States. Originally, the land was inhabited by Native American tribes and later explored by European powers including France and Spain. The name Louisiana comes from the French King Louis XIV, and the region was claimed by France in the 17th century. One of the most important events connected to Louisiana history is the Louisiana Purchase in 1803, when the United States under President Thomas Jefferson purchased a territory from France. This deal doubled the size of the United States and opened the door for westward expansion. Louisiana officially became the 18th state in 1812, which is why the year 1812 appears on the coin design. The design of the 2002 Louisiana quarter reflects the culture and identity of the state in a very meaningful way. It features the pelican, which is the state bird